Are you looking to replace the carpet in your corporate office or workspace? Would you like to freshen up the look of your floors but worry about the cost of losing valuable work time with your employees? Well, worry no more. That's where National Lift Installation Inc. comes in. Traditionally, for a flooring replacement job like this, your entire office would need to be broken down and cleaned out. But not anymore. Instead of going through the huge headache of moving furniture, computers, phones, and other wiring, we can actually lift everything right off the floor. Think of it like changing a flat tire. You don't need to dismantle the entire car, you simply need to jack it up to fix the problem. And that's exactly what we do at National Lift Installation Inc. That's why we're able to completely change the flooring in your workspace overnight without disturbing your employees' personal spaces or important cable connections. This drastically reduces employee downtime while protecting furniture and electronics from potential damage. Our lift process has proven to be the most efficient and economical method in use today, with a cost savings as high as 30 to 40%. So, if you're ready for a flooring change without all the hassle, contact us today at carpetlift101.com.